Tumaldo ning General Community Quarantine kin Pampanga, melaos lamo rin may kapamasada ring Public Utility Jeepney o PUJ drivers ampong operators. Ining belita ng danyo mula pamuntok na ring Confederation of Passenger Transport of Central Luzon. May release no kano ring maigit at 2,2,000 special permit. Manibat king Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board o LTFRB Region 3. Makatukila rin ni kareng ruta aminuna ng pepabalo ng provincial government kareng sablang Memalen.
Probinsya po ng Pampanga, maliban kayong Mabalacat City, at yun na pong milay bawat rota. Kitang kolong po din sima pagawa na ng LGU, kanya-kanyang LGU.
Kayong Mabalacat City, pagpursigyenda pa kanong maninto na terminal, amaluwalas bang agawaing social distancing.
Pero ngayon, yung Mabalacat, kinakimpi sabi may glawin na kayong terminal, itang king hypermarket, di patan, labangan, mabawas mo naman yung traffic. Then, ang les Mabalacat, ang gala from Sibera, ang gala kitang hypermarket, Kamachilis.
Agpang Mabalacat City Administrator Emmanuel Manny Ignacio, sisiguraduhan na pa kanong Mayor Chris Garbo, ang makatalukila ring jeepney operator king physical distancing, ang gana ka ring pamag-sanitize king balang jeep up milulwal.
Ang executive order na pong kakatang Mayor under EO 76, which is the guidelines in the implementation of the General Community Quarantine. In-emphasize na pong Mayor ka rin na din kakatang public utility jeepneys in pursuance to IATF Resolution number 40, held in abeyance na pamini po nila po makapagbiyahe. Uling kailangan na po ata mag-comply katang minimum health protocols o putting up data pong social distancing kang kakatapong PUG. And once, siguro as a lesson na po data kakatapong public utility jeepney operators and drivers, the requirements of the Land Transportation Franchising Regulatory Board, that's the time po na makapagbiyahe na lang.
Memyene mang kababalwan ng LTFRB Region 3 kareng balang commuters ning jeep, apanikwanan ra kanong ituldo at ireklamo reng driver ay tatalugi king guidelines ning IATF. Dapat kanu 50% mo in capacity ning jeep ing malyaring isake kada biyahe. Yakoy Paulo G. Santos, CLTV News.